There are many traditional martial artists out there. If you tell them about protecting your joints or hand wrapping, they will say, come on man, be a man, what are you saying? Just because you can do 25 knuckle push-ups without stopping does not mean your wrist will not break. It's like the police stopped you for not wearing the helmet on a bike and you're saying, I don't need a helmet, I'm a man. But today we are going to compare wrapping your hands, protecting your joints versus traditional iron fist, Shaolin, iron bone kind of like what is the best approach? So naturally, the first thing that comes to our mind is in a real life fighting situation, you won't have this protective gear, you won't have a boxing glove, so you should train bare knuckle. Of course. Now suddenly I have to fight you. रुकिए भाई साहब, पकड़ना उधर से नहीं ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. So every now and then all you boxers and combat sport practitioners, you should practice some knuckle push-ups, some bare knuckle boxing because you need that touch. Of course, all your conditioning, all your strength you're getting from your whatever you're doing. But suddenly if I don't have this big thing on my hand, now my punching changes. You have to make sure that you can punch bare knuckle and it is still accurate. And we martial artists need to understand it is not just about conditioning and your iron knuckles. It is not just about that. Skill is more important. Distance, timing, range, understanding different things. So having strong hands is something very important. But it is not that important. It comes like list में बहुत नीचे आता है वो. So we think that because we have conditioned our knuckles and our wrist and we do all kinds of martial art movements, thing is that we think that we can still punch with full power without hurting our hands. See, don't get me wrong. I'm a big iron fist nerd myself. I've been sharing all these traditional hand conditioning exercises with you from a long time now. In my channel, आप जाके देखिए, there is a playlist for this conditioning stuff. So I know the importance of that, but I also know this is not the only thing. Fighting के लिए ये काफी नहीं होता. So okay, I can punch with okay level power without anything in my hands, right? It's okay, but I have to worry about my alignment. हाथ सीधा है कि नहीं? Am I causing some injury to my wrist or whatever? Is my form okay or not? Like I have to be so perfect, and I can never do that. I can never give my 100%, right? See, यहाँ पे थोड़ा problem है. When all my joints and everything is secure, because this is a very delicate thing. भगवान ने इसको ऐसा पटक के पत्थर पे मारने के लिए नहीं बनाया, right? This is not meant to hit. Some of the smallest bones in our body is present in this area. तभी हाथ बड़े बड़े boxes के भी टूटते हैं. Right? This is not meant to hit, but we are aligning it in such a way that now it is easy, it can hit. We can use this part as a weapon. But the thing is, if I am using some equipment to cover or to protect my joints and to make it more secure, now I can practice for generating power. Now I can practice building more power. ये confusion रहता है. Our knuckles and our conditioning bones for making them solid is different, and practicing for generating power, for producing power, for increasing power is a different thing. ये power training और ये conditioning actually थोड़ा बहुत different है. So usually if you are using these things to protect yourself, पहन ही लेते हैं. So आइए नेचर ब्रेक से वापस आ जाइए. What I was saying is, when you are taking care of your joints and what all जो भी इसमें होती हैं चीजें हैं, now you can focus on producing more power, for generating more power. Like now I can do like 100%, right? Now this can be easy. If you are practicing like this, your bone conditioning also happens. तो आखिर मैं कहना क्या चाह रहा हूँ आज के इस वीडियो में? शुड यू प्रैक्टिस विद दिस काइंड ऑफ स्टफ और द ट्रेडिशनल? आई एम सेइंग both are important, right? If all you're doing is practicing with big boxing gloves, if you actually want to strike some surface in the real life, in boxing gloves you can get away with even a hook punch like this is okay with a boxing glove. But if you are fighting bare knuckle, which you will in real life, यू नीड टू बी करेक्ट, ऐसा अलाइनमेंट वगैरह करेक्ट होना चाहिए. सो फॉर टाइम टू टाइम आपको दूसरे तरीके से भी प्रैक्टिस करना चाहिए. बेयर नकल practicing on the heavy bag is important. Practicing this kind of traditional stuff like knuckle push-ups and makiwara and other kinds of exercises is also important, but occasionally, right? सब कुछ important है, लेकिन keep in mind, a man with fighting skills, even if he doesn't have iron fist, he can survive. But if you just have your big knuckles, that's not enough. There are other important things in martial arts and fighting arts to practice. So that's all for today. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe and press the bell icon. Hit the like button, bare knuckle and subscribe with hand wraps. Karate TV online class, link is in description and you can subscribe to छोटा वाला channel Karate TV वाले भैया. Link is in description. अरे मेरे को दिखाओ ना.